Welcome. Today, I'm going to walk you through a simple and effective way to export stickers from your personal chats on the Telegram app for PC, using the brand new update. If you've ever shared or received stickers that you'd like to save outside the app, this method will make it possible in just a few easy steps. First, open up the Telegram app on your computer. Once it's running, look toward the top corner of the screen and click on the three horizontal lines. This is your main menu button. Inside Settings, you'll see a variety of options, but what we're looking for is labeled Advanced. Click on that and then scroll down until you find the option called Export Telegram Data. This is the section where you'll be able to select what kind of information you want to back up or extract. When the export window opens, you'll see multiple checkboxes, but for this guide, we want everything to stay focused on personal chats, so make sure that only personal chats is checked. That way, you're not exporting unnecessary channels, groups, or media that you don't need right now. Next, scroll a bit further until you reach the Stickers checkbox. This is the key option to have enabled. Select it, and once you're ready, click on Export at the bottom of the window. Telegram will then begin preparing your data, and depending on how much information and how many stickers you have, this process might take a little bit of time. Just give it a moment to finish. After it completes, you'll see a button that says, Show My Data. Go ahead and click on it, and a new window or folder will open, displaying your exported files. Inside, you'll find your stickers neatly saved and ready for you to use, store, or transfer as you wish. And that's it. You've successfully exported stickers from your personal chats on Telegram using the updated desktop app. This update makes it much easier to back up and organize the little things that make your chats more fun and personal. If you found this walkthrough helpful, make sure to try it out and keep your favorite stickers saved.